Welcome back. You're watching Young Turks. On the 23rd of May 2012, Microsoft announced its first accelerator program in India, the first of its kind initiative by a technology company in India to boost the startup ecosystem. Now, the program received more than 200 applications, and after several stringent screening rounds, 11 startups have been chosen. These 11 are now gearing up for the most exciting phase of their journey, one that will help define who they are and deal with the business life cycle from ideation to growth and scalability with the help of a panel of 60 mentors.
For these 11, this will be their address for the next 4 months. Here they will get the opportunity to cross-collaborate, interact with industry mentors and connect with leading venture capitalists. Amplify.me is a mobile-based real-time TV guide with reminders and recommendations. It also brings a social angle to TV watching. Supporting EM and T-commerce, Amplify.me acts as a self-service portal for driving contests, polls, premium content and interactive advertising. Viewers can go beyond simple social experience of viewing their favorite shows with friends collaboratively, as this 5-month-old startup also allows check-ins and Facebook posting.
Through the Accelerator program, we look forward to develop a product and make it robust and world-class. We also look forward to devising the right marketing strategies along with our mentors. We are hopeful of walking away with at least ₹2 crores in funding on graduation day, and definitely targeting crossing 100 crores in revenues over the next 3 years.
Leading healthy lifestyles and being fit is becoming incredibly hard in today's hectic work schedules. The duo of Tushar Vashisht and Matthew Cherian have simplified the process by using mobile and the web. Their brainchild, Healthify, is an online health and wellness platform tailored for India. Healthify aims to provide customized solutions and fit the needs of each individual using lifestyle tracking apps, social networking tools, and access to the right products and services.
We have just closed our first round of funding, so we're not really looking at raising any funds in the next 3 to 6 months. But I think learning the art of raising funds is something definitely we'll learn more as part of the accelerator.
30-year-old Jitendra Sharan's innovation offers the security enterprises need to embrace the cloud for even their most critical applications. Founded in 2011, Cyphergraph Networks is a cloud virtual private network that acts as a cloud security service which allows secure and regulated access to physical data.
With the Microsoft Accelerator, I'd like to refine my go-to-market strategy and expand to broader market areas. I would like to also expand my core team in terms of employees. By the mid of 2014, we hope to reach about $10 million annually in revenues. And by the end of the Accelerator program, we would also like to raise our Series A funding.
Pipalayan Naik and Praful Sharma's innovation is helping companies bring down their talent acquisition costs. A social recruiting platform, HireRabbit, allows companies to design a career site on social networks where candidates can search and apply for job openings directly from the fan page, and job applications can be automatically delivered to the company's hiring system. With over 100 companies globally signed up for the private beta, the duo is now focused on fine-tuning the product with customer feedback.
At the end of the accelerator, we are looking to raise enough funds to expand our team and scale our operations. And in the coming 3 years, we plan to hit a revenue of $5 million.
Their innovation is the simplest way to discover and be part of the buzz of a location. Now Floats, a social mobile application, allows users to share and consume local information on their mobile devices. From neighborhood markets to the hottest events happening around wherever you stand, co-founder Jaswinder Gulati claims Now Floats is bound to give you fresh content whenever you log in.
We raised a funding round earlier this year, and we hope to raise another one by the end of this accelerator. When we get that capital, we hope to deploy it in sales enablement and acquiring new customers.
Founded in 2011, PlusText is a mobile messaging platform that allows you to exchange text messages securely and privately. It provides a unique set of features such as do not forward, do not download, and auto-deletion of messages, ensuring user privacy. Co-founder Lokesh Chauhan aims to reach out to 10 million users soon and also hopes to take his offering on other operating systems like BlackBerry and Symbian.
We plan to accelerate our development cycle and create a world-class product while we are at the accelerator. With the help of our mentors, we plan to devise better strategies for marketing, product development, and creating strategic partnerships.
With the motto learning in higher education should never be boring, Debrata Bagchi co-founded Sparsha Learning Technologies in 2010, designing products based on simulation so that students learn by doing. Sparsha integrates active learning content in existing learning solutions. The venture's already partnered with education content providers, publishers, online learning companies and universities in Karnataka and Orissa to develop custom solutions across K-12 and higher education domains.
We are hoping that with this, we will be able to create a foundation where we'll be able to reach to at least about 100,000 users in the next 2 years. We are hoping to raise about a couple of $1 million in Series A as we graduate out from the program.
Today, due to information overload from blogs, videos, Facebook, Twitter and many more, we often end up losing track of conversations. Vinny Lohan and Devesh Kumar's White Shark prevents just this by making curation of content and conversation simple and meaningful. An online platform, White Shark allows you to choose relevant content from wherever you want and have full control on choosing the people you want to have a conversation with from any of the social networks.
Now, over the next few months, we hope to build a product that people want and people need. In terms of funding, I think it's too early for us to say how much money we'll need, but I'm sure the accelerator will connect us with the right people when we need them.
The next innovation quite literally helps you plan your digital afterlife. World Without Me is a platform for personal data preservation and provides users tools to create life's memoirs and a digital legacy. Targeting men and women 27 and over who have significant digital footprint, World Without Me helps curate their life stories from digital and social assets. Founder Bhaskar Thakur claims that there is no direct competition for the service.
By the graduation day, we want to have about a couple of 100,000 users, and we plan to raise about $1 million in revenue.
The team at Cloud Infra aims at building infrastructure services on the cloud. Their log processing solution helps an enterprise effectively manage its machine-generated logs, store, archive and access control all on the cloud. Providing business insight and improving operational efficiency is the main function.
Once the product is done in a couple of months, we wanted to work with business mentors to refine our product for specific verticals and businesses that we can target, so that when we hit the global market, we can scale profitably. We look forward at the end of the accelerator for funding so that we can grow bigger.
The duo of Balakrishna Hirur and Nandan Umarji have taken the excitement of a live sporting event to the next level. Their gaming startup, GameZone, focuses on developing social and interactive games on live sports. Blending the real and virtual world, GameZone allows users to interact during the telecast of live sport events like cricket and soccer.
At the end of this accelerator, we want to raise $750,000 to $1 million, which will be allocated to marketing and technology enhancements.
Well, here's wishing the 11 finalists the very best, and as we promised you, the report card in January. With that, it's time for us to wrap up this edition of Young Turks. Do tell us what you thought of our show. Write to us with your comments, feedback and suggestions to youngturks@network18online.com. We love hearing from you. If you're a budding or aspiring entrepreneur, we'd love to hear your startup story. You can leave us a post on our Facebook page and also watch out for news and highlights of our show. Follow us on Twitter. Our Twitter handle is ShireenYT. You can also catch our show online on youngturks.in.com. Till next week, from all of us here, goodbye and thanks for watching.